Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to do a little something different. I'm actually going to be featuring someone named Omarion. He's a guy that I follow on Instagram. He has great adventures. So you guys subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. And here goes Omarion and his adventures. Hope you guys enjoy the way I did.
Post-workout meal. Now I need to do the dishes, boy. I'm so fucking tired. Today is the day where I wish I had my maid here. Fuck me, man. So this is me after washing the dishes, right? Thinking that I'm a badass. Bragging on the internet saying, men like me don't exist. Like, I cook, I clean, I train, I'm loyal, right? So, men like me don't exist. I mean, come on, man. Wait a man for this. You'd be like, homie, come on, shut the fuck up, man. Like, this is normal. This is what grown folks do. Like, they do the dishes. No, bro, I'm just fucking spoiled brat. And I don't do dishes usually because I have a maid, so I know, bro. But I like this shit, I like this grown folks shit, Doing the dishes, doing the laundry, cooking, cleaning the house, I like this shit, bro. After this, like, I mean, I hope my soulmate, my future wife, you're watching my stories right now. Look, if you're watching this, to my future wife, if you're watching this, I'm letting you know, that's me. That's all me. I did that. Remember, huh? Like, I'm not just looks on the internet, posing and all that. Nah, bro, come on. I'm full package. I'm done. But seriously, rate a man for this. Come on, man. Come on. All clean and nice. Yup. That's me. It's one of the best massage experiences I've ever had in my life. I swear. It's 90-minute massage session, right? And we done 70 minutes in a row. Just the normal sport massage. And then the rest of the session they kept the rest of the session in a Turkish bath. Imagine like a sport massage session in a Turkish bath. Oh my god. So 70 minutes in a normal room, and then the rest of the session 30 minutes it was in a Turkish bath with a soap. Oh my god, it's heaven. Like, they treat you like a king, one of the best experiences ever. No,
in a traditional market I need to get a few things. It's always busy, always busy. So yeah, as you can see, got the flower here. And they have everything, almost everything. Finally, I get to see you, Max.
Okay, stand up.
How are you, Max?
Very well, thank you very much. How are you too?
I'm good, bro. Say hi to Sim.
Hi, Sergey. He is really good guy. Thank you very much.
109, huh?
Yeah, wow.
Now right here, y'all, he just cruising. He's listening to his music. He's just chill. Like, if you don't follow this guy, you guys definitely are missing out. Like, you should follow him. I felt like everyone should enjoy his adventure.
I just finished my sport massage session. Now it's time for some Turkish bath. So nice, man. So nice. Bruh, this spot is so dope. I just had one of the best massage experiences in my life. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So after you finish, you can come and hang out here. There's a jacuzzi. Right. There's a jacuzzi, as you guys can see. It's really nice, and there's a sauna. But seriously, I'll talk about it in a minute. Oh my god, that was... So this is the tunnel, because I live in a European part, and this is the tunnel will take me to the Asian part. Asian part is more like where the posh people live, you know. Because of the traffic, it's horrendous, man. So it took me about an hour just to get into this town. See, as you can see, it says Asia. So yeah, this tunnel will take you from the European part to the Asian part.
guys, I'm having the second one, which is New York nice hot dogs.
Oh man, you guys, now look at this. Look at this spread. Isn't this food amazing? It looks so amazing. That's why I said, you guys, I enjoy following him because he will show you from cuisines to the best places to go. I mean, he just gets you so prepared so that when you travel to that place, you are good to go. You know everywhere to go. You know where you want to be.
Oh my days, what is this, bruh? Says what? 300 gram of patty. That's the demon challenge, guys. So guys, I'm having the demon challenge. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my days, like look how big it is. It has what? Ghost pepper. I couldn't do it. I'll tap out. So I couldn't finish the demon challenge. I had to order the second burger. Man, that demon challenge is the fucking demon. Like literally had me in tears. And I can't feel my lips. Like literally.
All right, you guys, well, that is it for now, but check me out. I'm gonna do more features. I'll have more adventures for you guys. Some of it will be a surprise, so make sure that you like and comment, subscribe, and I will see you next video, y'all. All right, I'm out. Peace.